Hello, good morning. I'm in Doncaster and I'm going to go around the housing estate that has football ground names as part of their street naming policy. Let's go and have a look now. We've got Ewood Drive, which is celebrating Blackburn Rovers ground, Ewood Park. We've got Ayrsham Walk, which is remembering Middlesbrough's old ground, Ayrsham Park. Next up we have Hillsborough Road. Obviously Hillsborough's the Sheffield Wednesday ground. We've got Blundell Close, remembering Grimsby's ground, Blundell Park. Anfield Road. Looks like this street sign's copped a bit of a bashing over the years. Anfield, Liverpool's ground. Ninian Grove here. Ninian Park is Cardiff City's old ground. I'm here on the best street name ever, Villa Park Road, up the Villa. Sinsel Way, Sinsel Bank is Lincoln City's ground. Selhurst Crescent, the Eagles, Crystal Palace, play at Selhurst Park. We're here at the Shay. Halifax town fans will know about this. Highbury Avenue. I'm gonna have to go down here. There's one for the Arsenal fans. We've got Millmore Road. Millmore used to be the stadium of Rotherham United. Craven Close with bungalows, not cottages. Craven Cottage obviously is Fulham's ground. And here we have an ode to Everton, Goodison Boulevard. Ooh la la. I'm Rich Lord, you've been watching Rich Lord Travels. Click like, click subscribe, tell us what your favourite ground's been that we've seen today. Up the Villa.